Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Just natural English conversations.
And today's topic is perfect for learners learning English on YouTube.
Learning English on YouTube. Let's begin.
So, Alex, do you learn English on YouTube?
Yes, YouTube is like a full English school, but free.
Exactly. YouTube has lessons, tips, stories, pronunciation, everything.
And you can learn anytime morning, night, even while eating.
My favorite thing is short English lesson videos. Only 1 to 5 minutes, but super helpful.
Yes, short videos explain one small topic very clearly, like 5 daily phrases, common mistakes, easy grammar tricks.
And they don't feel heavy. You learn quickly and happily.
I also watch English vlogs, daily routine, travel, cooking,
Yes, vlogs show real English, how people speak naturally.
and you learn pronunciation, tone, expressions without studying anything, just watching.
Subtitles help so much. My eyes read, my ears listen, my brain says, "Okay, Mia, I'm trying."
Yes, subtitles make learning 2 times easier, especially for beginners. Some channels have pure listening practice.
Yes, slow English, clear English with simple stories.
Perfect for building understanding.
And listening is the heart of speaking. If you listen more, you speak better. There are so many good English teachers on YouTube.
Yes, they explain grammar in simple ways.
Not like school grammar. YouTube grammar feels friendly.
True, they use examples, jokes, daily life sentences. Easy to understand.
Movie scenes in English help a lot. Small clips with subtitles.
Yes, they show natural speaking, real expressions, and real conversations.
Also, very entertaining.
Do you shadow YouTube speakers?
Yes, I repeat lines with them like pause, repeat, speak, practice.
It improves fluency fast. You copy the rhythm and tone.
And your speaking becomes natural. I also write comments in English. Small comments like nice video, thanks for the lesson, I learned something new.
Yes, commenting builds confidence.
And you practice without fear. Nobody judges.
English shorts are addictive.
Yes, 60 seconds, new word. 60 seconds, new phrase. 60 seconds, new idea.
Fast learning, fun learning. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I learn English on YouTube.
Videos help me understand English better.
Subtitles make learning easier.
I watch short lessons and vlogs.
I try to repeat English sentences.
YouTube helps me improve every day.
Great job.
Why YouTube is great for English learning.
YouTube gives free learning. No pressure, no rules. Learn anytime, anywhere.
And every type of content exists: grammar, vocabulary, stories, speaking, listening.
Anyone can improve with small daily practice.
You just need interest and consistency.
Alex, one YouTube problem is big. I know. Recommended videos.
Yes, you open YouTube to learn English, and suddenly YouTube says, watch cat videos, watch cooking videos, watch travel vlogs.
And then 30 minutes gone. English learning 0, entertainment 100. So now I set a small rule. First one English video, then whatever I want.
That's smart. Learn first, fun later.
I repeat one English video 2 to 3 times. First time, just listen. Second time, listen plus understand. Third time, listen plus speak with it.
Yes, repeating improves memory. Your brain slowly learns the sound, the tone, the structure.
And the best thing is, YouTube videos never get angry.
Yes, you can repeat 10 times and YouTube will still say nothing. Short videos are perfect for busy people. 10 to 30 seconds. Quick English. Easy to follow.
Yes, short videos help you learn daily, even if you have no time.
Watching 5 to 6 short English clips equals a whole practice session.
I love how many different English channels we have: grammar channels, pronunciation channels, vocabulary channels, storytelling channels, podcast style channels, daily English channels, travel English channels.
Yes, YouTube is like a giant English school.
And the best part? No fees.
Free English school, 24 hours open.
One more secret tip: comment in English.
Yes, even one line like, "This video helped me," or "I learned a new word today."
Small comments improve confidence, and sometimes creators reply.
That feels so good.
YouTube is a powerful English teacher if you use it wisely.
Yes, don't compare yourself with others. Just learn at your own speed.
Even 5 minutes daily can change your English.
You have everything you need: videos, captions, practice methods. You just need consistency.
Okay, Alex, this was such a helpful topic.
Yes, YouTube is a powerful English teacher.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Keep learning, keep watching, keep improving.
Bye!
Bye.